Good afternoon everyone. Well, we're down in our back lower paddock and there's these old stumps here. Been wanting to get rid of these for quite some time. A couple of them should be quite easy to move. This one here and that one there I'm not sure about, but we've got the chain on the back of the Fergie, so we'll start hooking up to some of these and try and move them out. I think they're from when the last owner of the property had their wood mill going up in this back paddock. They were just throwing off cuts and crap over this back fence here. I've been slowly cleaning it up. There's still drips and drabs of wood along the bank, but it's slowly disappearing. But yeah, these ones here I wouldn't mind trying to at least clean up a couple of these just to tidy up the bank a little bit. So we'll hook the chain up and we'll see if we can start dragging some of these out with the old Fergie. We've got the chain around this one. Let's give it a try. Need the tractor for this one. Yep, didn't need the tractor for that one. Look at that. What I'll do is once I've moved all these, I'll bring the trailer down and we'll take them away. Put them in the burn pile. Don't know about this one. Wow. Shift this one. Once they're out, the cattle will trample over that and flatten it down a bit. We'll try and drag this one up. And now we'll try this one. This should come out. Got it moving. This one here, I think still a stump in the ground. We'll get rid of this one, then we'll come back and have a look at this one. So we got most of that one out. Don't like my chances with this one. I could try and wrap the chain around it, but I think that's still fairly well buried in the ground. I'll wrap the chain around it, give it a tug, see what happens. Okay, so this one here, still fairly well in the ground. So I'll have to get a second chain to wrap around to give me a bit more length. So I don't want to back the tractor too far down the bank. But the other ones have all come out. So by the time the cows trample over that dirt a little bit, they'll flatten it down a bit. But yeah, I want to have a go at that. I want to have a decent go at that. Maybe next weekend. We're getting a bit late in the day now. But what I'll go and do next is I'll go and get the trailer, hook it up to the back of the tractor. We'll come back and pick up all these stumps and bits of wood. Managed to get that one out. And we've got those big ones there as well. And then probably next weekend we'll come and blade up all this old hay, get that cleaned up. Right, so we'll go and get the trailer. Alright, we'll get rid of some of these smaller stumps and branches and stuff. Then we'll move on to the bigger ones. We'll take it all up to the burn pile. Probably won't be able to lift this one up, so I might put the forks on the back of the tractor with the pallet and try and roll it onto the pallet. Take this up to the burn pile. But I'm sure I'll be able to lift those too, so we'll give that a try. I don't know. Right, let's try. I don't think it helps that they have a ton of dirt on them. That's all then done. So now we'll run all this up to the burn pile and get rid of this. Okay, so just added them to the burn pile. As you can see, there's a bit more on the burn pile as well. I trimmed all the hedges yesterday. They were well overdue for a trimming. But yeah, so that's 90% of those tree stumps from down in the back lower paddock. Been wanting to get rid of them for quite some time, and finally got the time to get down there and haul them out. There's still the other big one there that I've got to pull out, so I'll use my forks and the pallet to load that one onto and bring it down here. The other one that's still on the ground, I'll get another chain, and it gives me a bit more length, and try and give it a yank. But yeah, I don't know, we'll give it a go next weekend or something. And apart from that, I'm happy with getting those bits done. I'll put the tractor and trailer away and call it a day. End of the weekend, back to work tomorrow.